3 years of steady sadhana under Swamiji's guidance has brought immense peace and clarity into our lives, and it can come in your life too. Our spiritual journey has taught us that spirituality is not about seeking miracles, but it is about living a life of humility, compassion, being humble, and truthful.
And what we have also realized in this journey is that Guru doesn't teach, he transforms.
वर्ल्डली लाइफ के अंदर स्पिरिचुअलिटी का महत्व और कैसे इसे इंटीग्रेट किया जा सकता है. आई एम एबल टू रिलेट डीपली विद स्वामी जी बिकॉज आई टू कम फ्रॉम IT background the way he is from. Seeing Swamiji and his Purva Ashram life has given me a belief how even in a high pressure work culture we can still explore spirituality. Many of my friends and relatives tell me वर्ल्डली लाइफ एंड स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ दोनों अलग हैं. दे से इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू इंकॉर्पोरेट स्पिरिचुअलिटी इनटू वर्ल्डली लाइफ और डे टू डे लाइफ. And somehow I also didn't have full clarity earlier. But Swamiji's teachings have showed me that the Vedic sciences were not about giving up all worldly pleasures. The Vedic sciences are about having an awareness of all our desires, knowing that each desire comes with a price tag. Swamiji's teachings have taught that Vedic methodology is not about just austerity or living a life of austerity, but it's all about growth and freedom. Freedom from what? Freedom from constantly comparing ourselves with others and then either feeling happy or dejected all the while. It's about finding that balance and always competing with ourselves to achieve our goals and improve upon ourselves. So universe is continuously expanding, it's continuously evolving and developing. And that is what these methods are all about. They are channels for us to grow ourselves. Swamiji himself is living proof for these. He has been a top executive. He understands leadership and entrepreneurship. He has himself built international operations that span across continents. Swamiji has launched the Walk the Dragon program, which is for CEOs, CXOs and business leaders, for them to be able to rise up, and that too following the path of righteousness. Many of these CEOs have come and shared in the past that following this path of Vedic sciences, implementing them in business helped them immensely in their businesses. Some have said it has increased their stock price by 30x. Some have said that it has increased their income by 4x. So results, measurable results are there for everyone to see. We observe that spirituality has not taken root in the business world and the corporate world. Imagine if business houses and corporates could start leveraging this cosmic energy for their collective goals and business outcomes, then how much positivity and growth they can achieve. And that's what today's business houses need most, to be able to match speed with clarity of mind. And I truly wish that the business world wakes up to these Vedic sciences, because I'm sure once they experience it, they will know that it is not mythology, but it is the science of success.
अब मैं बताना चाहूँगी स्वामी जी का हमारे जीवन में क्या अस्तित्व है. He's Revered Guruji, but how we see him, who is he for us, नहीं? तो ललिता सहस्त्र नाम में एक नाम आता है, मनोवाचाम अगोचरा, which is who is beyond mind and speech. He's exactly like us. He's just beyond mind and speech. But there are few things which are very, very apparent, and that's how we see him, and that's how we very closely, we revere him for that. He is clearly embodiment of truth. That's how we see him, and he is embodiment of right conduct. Besides being, full of wisdom. And I'll give some examples. There are a lot of YouTube videos where you can see all his wisdoms, where he shared so much wisdom, his blogs and all. Generally, what we see, ये जो Q&A होते हैं आश्रम में, डिस्कोर्सेस में, स्वामी जी डिस्कोर्सेस इतना नहीं, मैंने तो नहीं देखा डिस्कोर्सेस. जनरली उनको मैंने सिर्फ Q&A लेते हुए देखा है. क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स, जो डिवोटीज़ के क्वेश्चंस हैं उसको आंसर करते हैं. लेकिन वो ऐसा नहीं होता है कि एक क्वेश्चन का बैंक बनता है, फिर स्वामी जी क्वेश्चंस लेते हैं, फिर 2-3 दिन काम करते हैं, फिर आके उस पे क्लैरिफिकेशन देते हैं। वो सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस इम्प्रॉम्प्टू होते हैं एंड जो रेस्पॉन्स आता है वो इतने डीप होते हैं। रिसेंटली माता रानी ने मुझसे शेयर किया, स्वामी जी के जब एम्प्लॉई ने उनके क्लाइंट्स जब चुरा लिए, स्वामी जी का रिएक्शन एकदम अलग था। ना उनको गुस्सा था, ना उनमें बदले की भावना थी, और उनका आप रिएक्शन देखो, ही टुक दैट पर्सन फॉर डिनर, बहुत लैविश डिनर, माता रानी ने बताया कि बहुत लैविश डिनर के लिए लेके गए उसको, और स्वामी जी ने कहा कि मेरा बिजनेस तो मैं तुम्हें यूं ही दे देता। Isn't this epitome of compassion, right? Truth is that there is lot to learn for me, at least from this single instance, and I believe for others also. How can, somebody who's ditched you, you can be so positive. One of the very powerful example of this is, how Swamiji encourages women empowerment, and for all his institutions that he has established, he has appointed women for the lead positions. So be it lead pujarini, be it the lead of the ashram, be it the CEO of his Vedic Sadhana Foundation, be it the CFO of his organizations, and be it the product owner of Sadhana app. All of them are positioned, and these are very vital positions, and these are all led by women. And as a woman myself, this is of a lot of significance for me, because giving women the right place, respect, and the opportunity to lead, this is very heartening to see how Swamiji, gives due respect to the women. Swamiji's teaching goes far beyond Vedic sciences. It is truthfulness, living by compassion, and we feel that we also try to imbibe these things in our day-to-day life in whatever small ways. We are not perfect yet. There are a lot of mistakes which Sri Hari Ji Bhagwan can see what we are doing. And that we feel, if we are able to reflect even a small part of our Guru's light, then that's real sadhana for us.
And perhaps the true blessing of our life is this, that we are able to walk this path under the divine grace of Swami Ji himself. स्वामी जी के हर वीडियो के एंड में एक मैसेज आता है, डिस्कवर योर ओन ट्रूथ. दिस इज अ वेरी profound मैसेज, एंड दिस द ब्यूटी ऑफ सनातन धर्म. It encourages everyone to be a seeker. We don't have to follow anybody else's path blindly. It encourages us to uncover our own truth, uncover our own findings by following the path. And if you are somebody who is also seeking a steady path, I can tell you that this path works. 3 years of steady sadhana under Swamiji's guidance has brought immense peace and clarity into our lives, and it can come in your life too. As a closing message, what I would like to share is that our spiritual journey has taught us that spirituality is not about seeking miracles, but it is about living a life of humility, compassion, being humble and truthful.
And what we have also realized in this journey is that Guru doesn't teach, he transforms.
So we bow down at the feet of our Guru and Bhagwan Sri Hari Ji for showing their immense grace for us and allowing us to be able to serve in whatever little ways we can, and for transforming our lives in a way we never thought possible. बोलिए श्री हरि भगवान की
Jai.
जय.